Linear equations, class 8, exercise 6.1, question number 2, A part. Solve this linear equation. 4x plus 1 upon 3 plus 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3x minus 7 upon 5 plus 6. To solve this linear equation, you see, we have to first of all take the LCM of the denominators. We have to take the LCM of the denominators. Now see what are the denominators here. One is 3, one is 2 and 5. These are the denominators. So their LCM you will take out. So their LCM 3, 2 and 5. Their LCM you will take out like this way. 3. So here it will be 1. Then here by 2. Then by 5. So you see simply it comes to be 5 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 5 to the 10th to the 30. So LCM is equal to 30. So LCM is equal to 30. Therefore what you will do? Multiplying whole equation by 30. Multiplying whole equation by whole equation by 30. Multiply whole equation by 30. So as a result you will get 30 into 4x plus 1 upon 3 plus 30 into 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 30 into 3x minus 7 upon 5 plus 6 into 30. You see here 3 is the 3, 3 10 is the 30 cancelled. This implies 10 bracket 4x plus 1 is equal to 2, here cancel 15 to the 30. So plus 15 bracket 2x plus 1, 5 6 is 30, 6 bracket 3x minus 7 plus 6 3 is 18, 180. This is what you will get on multiplying whole equation by 30. 30 multiplied by this first term, 30 multiplied by second term, 30 multiplied by third term, 30 multiplied by this 6. So all the terms will be multiplied by 30 separately. Now here you see, open this bracket, 4 into 10, 40. This implies, this is a sign of implies. This implies that 40x plus 10 into 1 is 10 plus 15 to the 30. 15 ones are 15. 30x plus 15 is equal to 6 3 is 18x, 7 6 is 42 plus 180. This is the equation here. So here you see all the variables have to be brought on one side. These are the variables, they will remain on one side, they have to be brought one side. It will be transposed. So this implies 40x plus 30x, 18 goes that side, so minus 18x is equal to minus 42 as it is plus 180 as it is. 10 and 15, that is 25. 25 goes that side, minus 25. So here you see 40 plus 30, 70, and 70 minus 18 is equal to 52x. That equals to here 180 minus 5 to 7, 4 plus 2 6, 67. That is equal to 113. 52 2x is equal to 113. X is equal to 113 upon 15, 52. 113 upon 52. Okay, that gives you the result. So this is the answer for this first question, 6.1. Question number 2, part 1, 6.1. Question number 2, part 1, 113 upon 52. Now further cancellation is not possible, so you will leave the answer here itself. You see C part now, 2x upon 5 minus 6x upon 9 upon is equal to 9 by 7. The first step is cross multiply. Cross multiply. When you cross multiply, so you will get 2x into 7 is equal to 9 into 5 minus 6x. As a result, 7 to the 14x. 7 9 5 the 45, open the bracket. 9 6 the 54. Then x. 54x, that transpose that side, so you will get 54x plus 14x is equal to 45. Add them, 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 1 6, 68. X, other side you get 45. X is equal to 45 upon 68. This is the answer for this question, that is 6.1 second part. 6.1 second part. Question number 2, 45 by 68. Okay. So by this way you see exercise 6.1, first and second question, first and third question are done. You see 0.6 multiplied by within brackets 1.5n plus 1.2 is equal to 0.8 multiplied by 0.3n minus 0.35. This is the question. Now to solve this, you see here there is one decimal point here, one decimal point here. It is making a complex, it is becoming a complex. So in order to solve this, you remove decimal point here, 10 will be written here, decimal here and 10 will be written here. You cancel this 10 and 10, both sides you multiply by 10, so they will be cancelled out. As a result, you get 6 here and 8 here. Okay. Now divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So when you divide 6 by 2, you will get 3. And when you divide 8 by 2, you will get 4. And as a result, you will get this value 1.5n plus 1.2, 0.3n minus 0.35. So this you are getting here. Now in order to solve this, first of all you will open the bracket. 15 3 is 45, 4.5n, 3 12 3 is 36, 3.6, 4 into 3, 4 3 is 12n, and 4 multiplied by 3.5, that is equal to minus 140. 3.6 will be transposed that side, so it goes that side, it becomes negative. And here you see 1.2n brought that this side, it becomes negative. So 4.5n minus 1.2, and this side you will get 1.4, and this 3.6 here goes this side, minus 3.6. So all the variables are brought this side and all the constants on that right hand side. So here we solve 4.5 minus 1.2, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 3 minus 5, 4 minus 1 is 3, so that is 3.3n. This side you get, this is also negative, this is also negative, both will be added here, and as a result you will get what? This value and this value, when you add both of them, so you will get what? 1.4 and 3.6. 1.4 and 3.6 both added, so you will get minus 5.00. Now you subtract here, you get 3.3n, and that side you get this. So n is equal to, you can write 5.0 upon 3.3, because after decimal these zeros are useless, meaningless. So 5.00 or 5.0 means the same thing. So 5.0 upon 3.3 decimal remove here, you get 50 upon 33. The sign is negative, sign is negative. So answer n is equal to minus 50 upon 33. This is the answer. Okay. Next you see this question number G. Here you are having 2 by 3 6y, 2 by 3 y plus 1 5 by 3 y plus 1 by 4. So you to solve this, you see first of all solve this part 5 by 3 bracket 4 is LCM here, 4 into y 4y plus 1 bracket closed, and you see on the other side you get here 2y plus 3 upon 3. Take L3 as the LCM. Now you see 3 and 3 will be cancelled here. So as a result you get 2y plus 3 is equal to 5 bracket 4y plus 1 upon 4. Now cross multiply, here it is 1 and here it is 4. So this will be multiplied here and this will be multiplied like this way. So you get 2y plus 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 5 bracket 4y plus 1. Now you see 4 2s are 8, this is equal to 8y, 4 3s are 12 is equal to 5 4s are 20y is equal to 5 1s are 5. So as a result you get 8y plus minus 40 y is equal to 5 minus 12. 5 minus 12 is minus 7, and this side you will get minus 32y. So y is equal to minus 7 upon minus 32, minus minus cancelled. So answer y is equal to 7 upon 32. Okay, this is the solution of this question. Y is equal to 7 upon 32. Y is equal to 7 upon 32. Okay, see this here. Here, when you cross multiply 3y, 2y plus 3 multiplied by 4 and 5 bracket this 4y plus 1 here. So 5 4s it will be 20. Initially it was written 40. That is 5 into 4 by 4 is 20. It will be 20y plus 5 1s are 5. So that is not 20y. 20y transpose that side minus 20 and then 5 here. So here you will be transposing this 20 that side. So 8 minus 20 is minus 12, and this side you will get minus 7. So y is equal to 7 upon 12. That is equal to y is equal to 7 by 12 will be the answer. Okay. Make a correction right over here. 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20. So that will give you 20y. 5 1s are 5. That is 5 here. So 5 4s are 20. Here it is 20. So when 10 20 transpose that side, it will be minus 20. So 8y minus 20 is minus 12. That minus 7. So y is equal to minus 7 upon minus 12. That is minus minus cancel. So y is equal to 7 upon 12. Okay. So this is not 40. This is 20. Okay.